this video, we're gonna go and take a look at this very slick and modern wall-mounted silicone toilet clean brush. These are silicone bristles. And because of the surface, it gets all the gunk out. And of course, bacteria doesn't stick to it as much. To clean it, simply rinse it under the water, hot water. And then when you're done, place it in here. There's a little pull tab here, you pull. And if you have any drainage water, you can always just take this and then dump that out. So that's a pretty smart design here. To mount this, we provided you with this little mounting mechanism with two adhesive parts. This kind of clip into each other. One, you hang on the wall, and then the other one, you attach to the brush, and then that way if you want to hang it or remove it at any time, you can. Now we are going to go and put it right here, because it definitely matches with this little extendable garbage. So you can see that this one comes out, but then it folds in when there's no garbage. So we really like this, okay? And then this is just mounted on two screws. So we are gonna place this right here so it's nice and even. Right here. So let's go and do that right now. Now, if you were to not be happy with the location of your mounting, you can always remove these. They did provide you with a backup set if you change your mind. If for whatever reason you still need another set because you changed your mind twice, a tip is you can get a construction adhesive called PL8X, and you put a little dab on the back of this and then you reapply it onto the surface. You hold it up with masking tape over one night, and then that is going to stay on there. It's going to be a little harder to get off after, but it's going to work, so that way you won't have to worry about not having a wall-mounted toilet brush holder. Okay, I really like the way this looks. I really like it, much better than the old school cleaning brushes. See, so this one's on right now. You can see I'm just gonna slide this on so it's easy for me to get here. I'm gonna put my finger underneath, and I'm just gonna apply it to where I feel that it's most suitable. So I like to just be pretty even here with the bottom. So we're gonna basically just kind of put it right here. So it's kind of out of the way. And now we just press it. Now some people, depending on the surface, you want to make sure it's clean, right? But if you're mostly you're gonna put it on paint. These are wall planks. So you may want to clean it off, get some grease, dust off with some rubbing alcohol or something like that. But I already cleaned it. So now, if I want to take this off, I take it off. If I want to put this back on, I have to figure out where it goes first. But there it is. And then this tab here can slide out right here. And the brush comes off, right? So you're not going to lift this if you want to lift the brush. And that, my friends, is how it's done. Now let me show you. Now don't worry about that. That is cat litter, all right? So this toilet gets a lot of use because of the cat litter. So then we take this, and then we basically can clean right underneath here very easily, and also underneath. And because of the surface, it gets all the gunk out. So that's that. Always get a soft closing seat, much better. Thanks for watching.